The babies. Oh, you burp them like babies.
I forgot. Oh, yeah. They're basically going to be down here for like a month or two until they get too big and transported back to the vet clinic every night.
Oh, he's biting his leg. Worse.
Yep, they come home at the end of the day, and then when they're off the formula and eating meat, we'll slowly back out of the picture, and then we basically won't be interfering with them at all.
Wait till they start spraying, they won't be so cute anymore.
Eventually, they will get reintroduced to the other lions.
No, Sam, come back here.
She's a pimp, isn't she?
Yeah. Okay, I was going to say, I recognize that.
Yeah, they are very cute, but as cute as they are, maybe before our vet leaves, he can give you a good picture of their weaponry.
Don't pile on your sister.
Yeah, I think we can show them.
I'll